How many views does my video have? 2. Whoa! I have 1 million views! Dee Dee Cooks Pancakes has 2 million views? I can make a cooking video too! I'll get 3 million views! I need some help. I know! I will call Noodle Monster.
Hello?
Noodle Monster, can you come to my house and help me make a cooking video?
A cooking video? Sure.
Noodle Monster? Noodle Monster, are you there?
Ooh, tap me.
Hey, Noodle Monster. Thanks for coming. Take this. Now let's make a cooking video.
Okay, Maxi. I'm helping Maxi.
Wait here. I will put on my chef clothes.
Okay, Maxi.
Now I'm a chef.
Wow, Maxi is a chef.
Chef, can you say chef? I am a chef. Hello, Galaxy Kids. My name is Chef Maxi. Welcome to my kitchen.
Oh, wow, cool kitchen.
I will show you my cool kitchen.
Yeah, Maxi has a cool kitchen.
Cool kitchen. Can you say cool kitchen? This is my table.
Wow, a table.
Table. Can you say table? This is my table. Can you say this is my table? This is my stove.
A stove. Cool stove, Maxi.
Stove. Can you say stove? This is my sink.
Oh, a sink.
This is my sink.
Oh, a sink.
Sink. Can you say sink? This is my sink. Can you say this is my sink? This is my fridge.
Wow, a fridge. Can we see what's in your fridge?
Huh? Sure, you can see what's in my fridge. Tap the fridge to open it. Awesome! My fridge is open! This is my fridge.
Wow, a fridge.
Fridge. Can you say fridge? This is my fridge. Can you say this is my fridge? Tap the things in my kitchen. This is my fridge. This is my sink. This is my stove. This is my table.
Maxi, I'm hungry. Do you have any pancakes?
Pancakes? Let me check my fridge. Sorry, Noodle Monster. I don't have pancakes.
Oh, do you have any pizza?
Pizza? Okay, let me check. Sorry, Noodle Monster. I don't have any pizza.
What do you have?
Let me check my fridge again. Aha! I have lettuce and tomatoes.
Oh, lettuce and tomatoes.
I have ketchup and blue mustard.
Wow! Ketchup and blue mustard. Yummy.
I have buns and patties.
Wow! Buns and patties. What are you going to cook, Maxi?
I am going to cook space burgers.
Wow! Space burgers. Space burgers? Wow! Have you cooked space burgers before?
I've cooked space burgers many times. Just watch me. I'll show you how to cook them too.
Cool. So, how do we cook space burgers?
Tap the lettuce and tomatoes. We need to wash the lettuce and tomatoes.
Maxi, don't we need to wash the lettuce and tomatoes in the sink?
Of course, we need to wash the lettuce and tomatoes in the sink. Do. Tap the sink. I will wash the lettuce and tomatoes in the sink. Tap the lettuce and tomatoes. The lettuce is in the sink.
The tomatoes are in the sink.
So clean. The lettuce is in the sink.
Wow, the lettuce is in the sink.
The tomatoes are in the sink.
Yes, the tomatoes are in the sink.
Lettuce. Can you say lettuce? Can you say the lettuce is in the sink?
Tomatoes. Can you say tomatoes?
Can you say the tomatoes are in the sink? All done.
Now what, Maxi? Maxi? Do we need to cook the patties?
Of course. We need to cook the patties on the stove. Watch me. Tap the box. Patties!
Wow, patties!
So,
Maxi, don't we need to cook the patties on the stove?
What? Oh, yeah! We will cook the patties on the stove. Watch me. This is my pan.
Pan!
The pan is on the stove.
Oh, the pan is on the stove.
Pan. Can you say pan? The pan is on the stove. Can you say the pan is on the stove? La. Are you still filming me, Noodle Monster?
Maxi, you forgot to put butter and the patty on the pan.
What? Oh, where is the butter? Where is the patty? Now the patty is on the stove. Tap the patty to help me cook it. The patty is on the stove. Patty. The patty is on the stove. Patty. Can you say patty? The patty is on the stove. Can you say the patty is on the stove? Watch this, Noodle Monster.
What? Ah!
Sorry, Noodle Monster.
Use this.
Thanks, Noodle Monster. Let's try that again. Oh no, the patties are burned. Oh.
Here, Maxi.
Huh?
I can show you how to cook space burgers.
Really? Thanks, Noodle Monster.
There! One cooked space burger patty.
Wow, you are really good at cooking.
The The lettuce and tomatoes are on the table.
The lettuce and tomatoes are on the table. Table. Can you say table? This is my table. Can you say this is my table?
Do you want to chop the lettuce and tomatoes, Maxi?
Sure. The tomato is on the table. Can you say the tomato is on the table? The tomatoes are on the table. Can you say the tomatoes are on the table? I'm going to chop the tomato. Oh!
It's okay, Maxi. I'll do it.
Great job chopping the lettuce and tomatoes. I can help now.
Okay.
Now I need some ketchup. Tap me! Oh no! The ketchup! Ah!
Ugh! It's okay, Maxi. I can do it. Can you take the camera?
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, the space burgers look delicious.
Thank you.
Can you say burger? Can you say the burger is on the table? Can you say the burgers are on the tables?
Maxi, you still have ketchup all over your face.
Oh, I need to wash my face in the sink.
What's wrong, Maxi?
I'm sad. I wanted to cook some space burgers for my video, but I can't cook. I am a bad chef.
It's okay, Maxi. You can make an eating video.
An eating video? What's an eating video?
I'll show you. See?
3 million views! Wow! All right, let's shoot an eating video. We can eat space burgers for my video.
Yeah, space burgers.
Okay, looks good. Hello, Galaxykids. My name is Maxi, and this is my best friend, Noodle Monster. Say hello, Noodle Monster.
Hello?
Today, we're going to eat space burgers.
Yeah, space burgers!
All right, let's take a bite.
Stuffed table refrigerator.